This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to fix the black and white display now. First, confirm you're on Windows 10 with an admin account, then open Settings. Navigate to Ease of Access, then Color Filters. This is where the toggle lives. If you prefer speed, press Windows key plus Control plus C to see if color filters are already enabled. Once here, note the current mode. Color filters can be off, grayscale, or other presets. We'll switch and test them so you can see color restored immediately. Now adjust the settings. Toggle color filters off to try restoring normal color first. That often fixes accidental grayscale. If that doesn't work, choose a different filter. Set to none or try invert or deuteranopia to see if color returns. Each filter behaves differently. Make sure to uncheck Apply Color Filter to the entire display only if present. Once done, open a photo or web page to verify if colors look correct. You've completed the middle configuration step and can finalize. Finish by ensuring changes stick. Sign out or restart the PC so display drivers reload and apply the new color settings. If the screen remains black and white, open Device Manager and update or roll back the graphics driver. Driver mismatches often cause persistent grayscale. Make sure night light and high contrast are off too. As a final troubleshooting tip, use System Restore to a previous point or press Windows plus Control plus C to toggle filters. That single hotkey often resolves stuck accessibility filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.